Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ala, and in today's video I'm going to do a tutorial for this facial brush, Conair. I have a video on this, my unboxing, and someone commented if I can do a tutorial on how to use this facial brush. So today I'm going to teach you the proper way of using this facial brush. So without further ado, so let's do this. Okay, so before using this, make sure it is clean, the brush is clean. So that's it. So let's start. I'm going to use my facial foam, this baking soda Biore. I have two facial cleanser here, this one too, but this one I'm using this like for everyday, and this one like a twice a week only. So because I'm using a brush, so I'm going to use this foam. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm using a foam. I'm going to put on my face. Yeah. And you can also put some foam here on the brush. Let's close the other door. So the first thing, okay, so I have a foam already also here. So the proper way of using this is, or the proper way, you know, on using this brush is, first you have to start here, and then here, and here, and then here, and then here. So I have to follow this instruction. Yeah, this one. So let's start here for 10 seconds like that. Yeah, here. And when you are using this, you know, don't press, you know, don't press this brush on your face, like, you know, because the brush will not work. Yeah, so that's it. So do not press the brush hard against to your face. What I mean, yeah, because it will not work properly, or it will not, it is not effective, you know, when you press hard, you know, this brush. So just leave it like that, and because the brush is rotating already. So that's it. And here, to the other side. So avoid, you know, your eyes. And here. Can't breathe. So just move the brush in a slow motion. So that's it. So when you're done, just rinse your face, you know, and clean the brush. So that's it, guys. I rinse already my face. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please support by subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment and give a big thumbs up, and don't forget also to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.